This Berkshire Hathaway Home Services Towne Realty property video is presented by Josh Parnell. Don't miss this beautifully renovated penthouse unit on Linkhorn Bay. Fantastic open floor plan with high ceilings is perfect for entertaining with 4 beds plus additional loft area, 3.5 baths and stunning finishes throughout. Updated kitchen with granite countertops, stainless steel appliances and custom herringbone backsplash. Updated baths, beautiful level floors, updated lighting, newer paint and carpet, tons of storage, walk-in closets and attic and so much more. Condo fee includes pool, elevator, trash, common area maintenance, master/flood insurance, kayak launch area, dock with deep water access, guest parking, and 2 gazebos. For more information, review the details below.